Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and it's the beginning of a great week. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good one this week. Today we have made it to day number 190 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So if you guys are not familiar with these videos, go back and watch these previous videos, starting from the beginning, all the way up to now. So that way you can kind of get an idea of where we started versus where we are now. All right, so we've made it to day number 190. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can literally sign up today and then sign up underneath your own affiliate link and stack your accounts on top of each other until you have multiple accounts. Okay, so say for instance, if you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one and then 100 on the other. Now, if you have three accounts, you're going to have 200 on the first two, and you're going to have 100 on that last account, which will total for 500 leads per day. Okay. And those leads will come in every single day. All right. Until you decide to cancel the service. Okay. But me personally, I have about just a little bit about myself. I have about 8 different accounts. I have thousands of subscribers in my accounts. 8 different accounts that I send out emails to every single day. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. I totally love the service, guys. I've been doing this over a few years now. So I can tell you, I can vouch here and tell you that this stuff does work. These leads do convert, okay, and I do get paid from My Legion Secret and the affiliate networks that I am a part of, okay. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work and it does convert, all right. Now, just a little bit about the traffic. This is cold traffic, guys. So these people have no idea who you are. They have no idea what you're promoting. So it does take a little bit of time for these people to get warmed up to your offer. Okay. Now, once they get warmed up to your offer, then they'll decide to subscribe and then purchase from you. Okay. But starting out, it does take a little bit of time for them to get warmed up to our offers. Okay. So that's just a little bit about myself. Now, another thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to send out one email per every 24 hours. Okay. So every 24 hours, depending on when you send out your email, you can come back in and send out your email again the next day. That's another cool thing about My Legion Secret, why I love them so much, because I get to get in front of brand new subscribers every single day. Okay. So every single day that I come in and I send out my emails, which is I like sending out my emails at night. It just works better for me and my schedule. I used to send them out early in the morning when I wake up, but I do like sending them at night because it's just 5-10 minutes out of my time at night for me to send my emails out before I go to bed. Okay, which is just perfect for me. Okay, so whatever works for you and your schedule, just make it fit your schedule. All right. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, number one is promoting My Legion Secret itself. So you can literally come here and send out emails and promote the service. Okay, you can promote My Legion Secret itself. So you can literally come into here to the mailing system, create your own email, insert your affiliate link, which is right here. Put that in your email and click send. That'll go out and you'll reach the masses. Okay. Another thing you can do is go right in here to affiliates. They got some pre-written email swipes in there for you. Go over here to the promo tools tab. come down here. There's going to be about 10 different pre-written emails that are available for you that you can send out. Okay. So if you grab one of these offers, you can just simply click on import affiliate email. What it's going to do is going to import this into the mailing system. Let me show you. So you click on that, it takes you into the mailing system. You click on all the leads that you want to send out to. Okay. And then those will transfer over. And then you come down here, and as you can see, it's already pre-populated. It gives you a subject line, and then it also gives you a pre-written email swipe. Okay. So this is the email that it gives you. Now down here, there's going to be an affiliate link, and pretty much all our prospects have to do is click on this link. Okay. Now we want to make sure that we have perfect timing check marked. Make sure there's a check mark in that. All right, which is ready to go there. And then we come down here and we click on send. Right, boom. We just sent out an email in the mailing system for my Legion Secret program. Okay. Now, right here, as you can see, I've already sent out my emails tonight. So, like I said, you can send out an email every 24 hours. Okay. But you're going to see send now or preview. So, you would just click send now, and this email will go out, and it's going to promote the My Legion Secret system. All right. So, that's going to be one way to make money with the mailing system. Number two, is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different affiliate networks that you can go to, and you can grab their business opportunity offers. Okay. Now we're using ClickBank for the sake of this video because the offers on ClickBank respond very well. The emails respond very well to the offers on ClickBank, so that's why we're using ClickBank to for this challenge. Okay. So ClickBank is a free service to get started. Now you don't have to use ClickBank. You can use something else, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. There's a lot of other popular CPA networks out there, affiliate networks that you can use. But for the sake of this video, we're using ClickBank, and I'm using ClickBank because from testing, ClickBank offers do respond very well to this traffic. Okay, so we are using that for this traffic. Okay, I mean for this challenge. So those are going to be the two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Like I said, promoting My Legion Secret itself or using an affiliate network such as ClickBank. All right. So there's going to be three ways to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. Number one is you can create your own email. Okay, you can create an email, send that out, take your link and put it inside the email, and then boom, click send. You can send an email that way, just coming up with something off the top of your head. Or you can use an email AI service, which is number two. You can use an email AI service or Chat GPT, basically where you can go and have it create you an email based around the offer that you are promoting. Okay. It's going to be the second way to send out an email. The third way is going to be using the free pre-written email swipes from ClickBank. All right. Now, if you go to the marketplace on ClickBank in the e-business e-marketing section, there are going to be about 4 different offers that you're going to be able to use, and you're going to be able to use those offers, and they all have pre-written email swipes that you can copy and paste over. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so all you guys have to do is go to the section in the e-business e-marketing section and then grab one of those offers. It doesn't matter which one you grab, they all work. 4 of those offers are going to have 20 pre-written email offer swipes that you can use. Okay, so just grab those pre-written emails and send them over to this traffic, and that's what I'm going to recommend for you guys first, is using the free pre-written emails. Now once you use those for a couple of months, you can go to AI and have them repurpose those same emails for you, and then keep using those emails over and over and over again till you build a full-time income. Okay. So those are going to be the 3 popular ways to send out an email in the mailing system. All right. So let me take you guys over here to ClickBank. I've already sent out my emails tonight. Okay. I send them out every night. Okay. And I'm taking you in the back office of one of my ClickBank accounts. Now, I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but this account that I'm specifically using just for My Legion Secret. Okay, ClickBank is a free affiliate network that you can sign up and get started. They do have tons of different niches and tons of different offers that you can pick from. We are using the e-business e-marketing section. for our offers. So that's what I would recommend. This traffic that My Legion Secret has, this is business opportunity traffic. So these people care about making money online. Okay. So if we go out and put out like a cooking offer or a health and fitness offer, something like that, it's not going to convert as well as a business opportunity, somebody showing them how to make money. Okay. So this is one of the back offices here. As you can see, today is November the 3rd. As you can see down here is November the 3rd. Just to let you know, this is not some kind of fake screenshot or anything. This is real-time results. I like showing the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm. So as you can see, check this out, guys. These are the last results. These are all the sales from the last 30 days of what we've been getting. Okay. So as you can see, this stuff does work. We got sales all along here. Starting from the first 30 days, first day of the 30 days, we did get a sale right here. We missed a couple days. We got a sale back to back, and we're getting them right here back to back. As you can see, we may miss a day, but we're always coming back to get another sale. We missed a couple days here, and then we're getting them back to back. We missed a couple days again, but then as you can see, it's been pretty consistent right here. Okay. We got a sale, we missed a day, but then we got 4 sales in a row. We missed a sale. We got 3 days in a row right here, and then we got a sale today, right? So this is just letting you know that this stuff does work. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single week. Okay, every single Friday, you're going to be able to come here and you're going to be able to get a paycheck from ClickBank. Okay, but you have to come in, guys. You have to be committed to this thing. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. You can't come in. You're not going to be able to come in and send out an email, a couple of emails, right? And then think you're going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars the next week. It just doesn't work that, okay? This is a real business, okay? You have to come in and you have to put in the work every single day, okay? You got to come in and at least send out your emails every day, okay? Don't miss a beat. All right. So I just wanted to come in and show you the results and what it would look like between months 3 and 6. These are the type of results that will come in. And the cool thing about this method, guys, is that these results that you're seeing, these are coming in and week out. Okay. So once you get to a certain level, you're going to start getting those consistent paychecks every single Friday. Okay. They come in like clockwork. All right. And then all we got to do is build on top of it. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Wanted to show you the results. We are making money with ClickBank. I did get paid last Friday. I've already made a paycheck for this Friday. Time goes in tomorrow. So after tomorrow, I will get another paycheck for Friday for whatever we made. So I'm curious to see what tomorrow will look like for us. All right. So I just wanted to show you that, guys. I'm going to take you over here and show you guys how to get signed up. Below this video, I did leave a link. I do leave links underneath all my videos to sign up underneath my email, my mileage and secret link. So click right here where it says MLGS True Freedom underneath this video. It's going to take you to the landing page. Now, the landing page is going to show you how to get started. But first, come down here and just look at some of these testimonials from people making money. Like, I'm not the only one earning income here. There's other people that are making money with this program. Okay. So as you can see, this is legit. It does work. I will click on this MLGS now. Click on that. Pay your $60 to get started. $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few years, so I can tell you guys that this is well worth it. Okay, I would recommend just getting started right away. So I'm not going to take too much more of your time. Please like and subscribe to this video. It helps this channel when you subscribe, and also like the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this stuff. If you guys have any questions or you have any tips or tricks that works best for you, or you just have questions about getting started and how you get started. Okay. Send me a message or a comment below. Let me know that you did sign up. I do got some private pre-written email swipes that I use personally that I do not share with everyone. I only share with the people that sign up underneath me and that follow what I do. Okay. So if you guys are interested in getting those email swipes, the same email swipes that has me making this income right here. Okay, the same email swipes that I'm using to make this money, I'm gonna send them to you. Okay. So just let me know what you think about it. Send me a message and let me know you're ready to get started. Send me the email that you used to sign up, and I'll send you those bonus emails. Okay. But I've sent out my emails tonight, so I'm gonna end this video on that note. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.